My lord, I just had to wait like 20 minutes because
coincidentally,
right at dinner time, you know, when I wanted to film my grocery haul, apparently everyone wants to be in the kitchen. But it's fine. Also, sorry that my kitchen it's kind of ugly, like kind of embarrassing, but it just felt wrong to film. I'm not gonna lie, it just feels kind of wrong to film like a grocery haul in my bedroom or something. I'm not gonna do that. Oh, did I mention this is a grocery haul? Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today's video is a little different. If you've been on my channel, more known for clothing hauls, but guess what? All the clothing stores are closed. We're also going into a recession, so I'm not trying to shop. What I do spend my money on instead, way too many snacks at Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got today. It's a whole ordeal, you know. Now we go shopping for groceries. It's like how I bond with my parents. So today I went to Whole Foods, Target, and Trader Joe's with my mom. I'm gonna say I don't usually shop at these places because they are the more like expensive, fancy, healthy, trendy grocery stores. Usually I shop at like grocery outlet. There are some things that I wanted to get that I can't get at those places, so that's when I go to like Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. I will go there frequently, but it's just to walk around and look at stuff because it excites me. I also wanted to do a quick disclaimer with everything going on. Make sure to be safe and sanitary when you're going grocery shopping. Wear a mask and gloves, whatever helps you to feel safe and other people to feel safe around you. I'm not trying to like overbuy or like stock up food from the store or anything like that. That being said, let's get started. First off, I got a watermelon. I eat so many watermelons. I'm so happy that it's almost watermelon season because I eat watermelon year round, even in like the fall when they're not in season whatsoever and they have to ship them. They're like terrible and they're literally like white. But yeah, so I'm so excited that they're getting good. I actually researched literally how to pick out the best watermelons, and this one looks good because it's dark green. It has the white patch. It has the scraping. You're probably thinking I'm insane, but yeah, I shouldn't talk about my watermelon for too long. That's a little embarrassing. Aside from that, usually I don't grocery shop at Target. Also, if you're from California, is it true that's where people get their groceries there? Like, you guys don't have Safeway? I think that's kind of crazy. Like, we don't have Ralph's here. We have like Safeway, QFC, Albertsons, Fred Meyer and stuff. Don't know why I'm talking so much. Groceries just get me excited. I got some cold brew, which is terrible because this stuff is addicting. I think cold brew tastes so good, which is absolutely terrible for me, let me tell you, because my poor little body cannot handle caffeine whatsoever. Like, it makes me shake. If I drink a cup of coffee at noon, I probably won't be able to sleep at night. It's really bad, but cold brew tastes so good to me. So I'm gonna try to like not chug that stuff because I also chug my coffee like no other, so it's really bad. I also got, I'm addicted to gum. I don't know why. I always have to chew gum. Like, it's not good. I probably chew like 5 things of gum a day.
oh,
This is from my favorite, Orbit. I also like the extra one in the cubes, even though people told me it's bad. I don't care. I think it's good. And then I also got some mini chocolate chips. My friends and I are going to FaceTime and bake later this week, so I'm really excited for that. And I'm gonna make some chocolate chip cookies, even though it's probably like my 10th batch this quarantine. Now we're going to go on to Whole Foods. I'm gonna be honest, I never really shop here just because it's so freaking expensive, but they do have some stuff that I can't find at other places, and I absolutely love like walking around Whole Foods. I think it's a dream. I would love to work there. My dream was kind of to work there as like a fruit cutter or something. Their food, like their fresh food, it's closed right now because of Corona, but I think their fresh food stuff is
so good.
I love it. That's usually what I buy when I go there. But today I got a couple things to stock up. I got these mini like Skinny Pop rice cakes, and they're like mini ones. I don't know why, I just like miniature stuff, and like I eat rice cakes with banana on it, but these ones are mini, and I was like, that would be a perfect snack to put like soy nut butter on these with bananas. Genius, right? So I got that. I got this tomato sauce. It is the Rouse, I don't know, tomato sauce. Let me just say, I got it because everyone on YouTube, when I watch like the healthy food hauls, they all get this and they say it's amazing. And I've been wanting to make like a homemade little mod pizza. But let me say, this stuff is freaking expensive. So if this doesn't blow my mind, I'm gonna be pissed. Then I got some more chocolate chips. Oh, we already know. Like, guys, you know I've been baking so much this quarantine. It's not okay. And I eat so much chocolate. I got 2 packs of chocolate chips, and I also got some cocoa cacao nibs. I honestly don't really know the difference between this and chocolate, but I think it's healthier. I'm not sure, but I think it's healthier. I don't know. I got this for like putting on top of like smoothie bowls and stuff, whereas chocolate chips are more for like cookies. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked you over. And then a couple more things. Ooh, this is melting. Eee. I got this cauliflower crust pizza because, as I said, I've been wanting to make a little mod pizza thing. If you don't know what mod is, it's just like a customizable pizza place here in, I think it's only in the Pacific Northwest. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure. But yeah, I got this cauliflower pizza crust. And then I also got these brown rice thin cracker things. They're kind of like the rice cakes, but they're rectangles. And I just thought that was kind of fun, so I got them. Okay, now, this is bothering me. It's in the frame, bruh. Now we're gonna go on to Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's. I also want to say I usually use reusable bags, but because of Corona, you're not allowed to use reusable stuff. Trader Joe's is awesome. I love it, honestly. First off, I got a bunch of veggies. I'm actually gonna make a salad after this. I'm really excited. So I got some kale, some butter lettuce. I heard butter lettuce is really good and I've never tried it. And then I also got this stuff. It's like a mix of a bunch of stuff. I don't know. And then I also got everything but the elote seasoning. I've never had elote. Oh wait, elote is corn. I'm stupid. I've never had, you know, when they use this, but it sounds good. I literally follow Instagram accounts that tell you when Trader Joe's gets new stuff.
I'm kind of a fan.
And then, this is the big bad bag that has everything in it. First off, I got some dates. I was planning on using these for like baking. I don't even know if I like dates, but I also heard if you eat them with like chocolate and like, well, usually almond butter, but I'm allergic to almonds, it tastes like Twix. I've also never had Twix because for some reason I was convinced they had nuts in them, but they don't. But yeah. Right after she talks about her almond allergy, I got some almond milk, but this is for my brother. Got some jalapenos. Also got some diced chopped veggies. My mommy's gonna make some stir fry. I got some yogurt. This is one of my favorites. It is coconut cream. I absolutely love coconut flavored stuff. It's so good. I like eating this by itself and also like in smoothies and stuff. And then I also got a vanilla one. Vanilla is also really delish, so I'm excited for that. And then a couple more things. I just got some organic jasmine rice. This is like the microwave kind. Don't judge me, I'm not authentic like that, but I heard this is pretty good for being like in the microwave. Plus it's like pre-portioned, which I think is really nice. So I just got this for like a safety, you know. I usually don't eat that much rice, but you know, I want to try out some new recipes and stuff. And then last couple of things, I got some sun-dried tomatoes because I'm gonna put these in some salads probably. I heard they're pretty good from my friend. And then I also got some JoJo Slims, which are basically Oreo Thins, but they just look healthier, which is probably bad because then I think it's healthy, so then I'm gonna eat the whole box. But you know, it's okay. I want to bake with these. Like I want to shove them inside cookies, which makes it even less healthy. That's everything for my Trader Joe's / Whole Foods haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more food grocery hauls, I will say since this was like my fancy place trip, you know, as you saw, I got mostly like treat things, so I don't have a lot of like fresh produce. If you guys want to see those things, I can totally do that as well. That's just like a different day, you know what I'm saying? But if you guys want to see more grocery hauls, make sure to let me know because I would love to do that. And if you want to see more like food videos, whether that be recipes or like what I eat in a day, make sure to let me know also because I love doing them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe I just talked about my groceries for literally 20 minutes and I'm very happy about it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having a great day, staying safe and healthy and taking care of yourself. Love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. I know it's getting late now, baby.